Yeah!
Hey there, kids! Today, we're going to draw the biggest, most majestic land animal in the world. These animals have thick, tough gray skin, they have big, floppy ears and thin tails, and they have long noses called trunks. Do you know which animal we're going to draw? You guessed it, it's an elephant. Grab a pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. Let's begin with the elephant's body. Since elephants are the largest animals that live on land, we're going to need to draw a big round circle to start. Next, we'll add 2 round ears. On the left and right sides of the top of the body, draw 2 more circles. Most of our circles should be sticking up in the air, above the head, so that our elephant can hear all of the sounds of the savanna. In the inside of the right ear, add another circle. Did you know that elephants' trunks are used for all sorts of things? Elephants can use their trunks to drink water, to pull down branches or rip grass, and to make different sounds to talk to each other. To draw our trunk, start from the middle of the body on the left side and draw a curved line like a hook. At the end of the hook, add a thin horizontal oval for the end of the trunk. Then connect the line back downward to the rest of the body. You're doing great, guys. Now, we'll give our elephant a face so we can see how it's feeling. On the upper side of the body, add 2 ovals for eyes. The ovals should touch in the middle, like this. Add 2 smaller ovals inside the eyes for pupils. On either side of the eyes, add 2 small circles for some rosy cheeks. Below the eyes, draw a sideways capital D for the mouth. Add a half circle in the bottom half of the mouth for the elephant's tongue. This elephant looks ready to play. We want our elephant to be able to play and walk in the grass, so let's add 2 legs. At the bottom of the body, add 2 short rectangles. At the bottom of each rectangle, draw 2 sideways, thin letter B's for the elephant's hooves. Lastly, our elephant needs a tail to swat at pesky flies. In the middle of the right side of the elephant's body, add a thin curved line, like this. The tail should be shorter and thinner than the elephant's trunk. At the end of the tail, add a little oval. This is the hair at the end. Time to color our elephants in. We'll use the following colors: gray, pink, black, and dark gray. Using the gray color, fill in the elephant's body, ears, trunk, legs, and tail. With the pink color, color in the elephant's right ear, cheeks, and tongue. Use black to fill in the pupils and the rest of the mouth. Lastly, we'll use the dark gray color to color in our elephant's hooves and the hair at the end of the tail. Our elephants are ready to play, spray, and stomp all across the savanna. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. more songs and activities on our YouTube channels, and more Playlearning fun in the Lingokids app.